हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम है वर्षा धीमान और आज के इस सेशन में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्लास 10th के साइंस के सिलेबस को लेकर। राइट, तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स अभी क्लास 10th को टारगेट करने वाले हैं द कमिंग टाइम, दे कैन प्रिपेयर वेल विद अस विद दिस पर्टिकुलर सीरीज जो हमारी अभी कमिंग टाइम में स्टार्ट होने वाली है. What we are going to do in this series, we have to cover each and every chapter which can be asked in your CBSE boards, right? तो ये जो लेक्चर है वो आपके CBSE बोर्ड के सिलेबस को ध्यान में रखते हुए ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाएंगे. We will discuss all the important activities with the chapter. We will discuss about the internal questions, the external back exercise, and the related things also. So it would be like a complete package. आपको बिल्कुल basic से advanced तक we have to start our discussions. Means each chapter can take a more number of classes, but everything should be clear to you. तो अभी जो आपके कमिंग ईयर में बोर्ड एग्जाम होंगे, कुछ चेंजेस किए गए हैं. एनसीईआरटी बुक्स के सिलेबस को रैशनलाइज किया गया है आफ्टर द कोविड, राइट? तो इसलिए हमें पहले सिलेबस को डिस्कस करना जरूरी है बिफोर जंपिंग टू द मेन पोर्शन, राइट? सो हियर यू कैन सी what are the main topics. Like, so firstly we will start our discussions with chemical reactions and equation. This is the first and what we say it's a base of chemistry, right? Whenever we have to start our class 10th science, we have to start with this particular chapter which is a part of chemistry portion, and it is really very interesting chapter, and it have all the important basic information that one students know should know who wants to score good marks in their boards exam, right? Then we will also go with the second chapter, that is acid, bases and salt. It is also the part of chemistry. Then we have our third chapter, which is the metals and non-metal. It is also a part of chemistry. Then we will move with the carbon and its compound. This is very important, and we can say it's a very large chapter of chemistry covering all the important aspects, because carbon, whatever we have around us that have carbon in it. So we should know the important compounds of carbon. We should know the different functional groups that can form changes in the carbon compounds, and what are the different kind of IUPAC structures, IUPAC name of different compounds, and what are their uses even. So we have to discuss all these things in this particular portion. And apart from that, now the session starts for our biology portion. Right, for biology portion we have the chapters like life process. It is the largest chapter of biology. It covers all the important life processes that occurs in a human being. And after that we will start our discussions over chemical control and coordination, that will cover the plant sides and the animal sides as well. We'll discuss about the nervous system and the control, how the control system occur in plants and how the control system occur in animals. We will discuss about the different hormones of the plants and of the human beings, how the hormones influence the target organs growth and development, and how it influences the overall growth of an organism, whether it is a plant or it's an animal, right? We will discuss about all this in this control and coordination chapter. This is also a part of your biology portion. Now, this is how do organisms reproduce, about the plants and about the animals. What are the different organs? What are the different parts of an organism that help in their reproduction or to get the multiple copies of the same organism? That can be sexual and that can be asexual or that can be vegetative. These three are different terms, and we will discuss about all these three terms in detail in this particular chapter of biology. And then we have the heredity. This chapter means how the genes, how the characters transferred from parents to their offsprings, and how there are some changes occur if they are sexually reproducing organism. We'll discuss about all this in this particular chapter. This is also a part of biology. Then we have the chapter like light, which is we'll discuss the important phenomena of light here, that is a reflection, and reflection it's a part of physics. And we have the human eye and the colorful world, which is also a physics chapter, and this is also a physics chapter. And then we have magnetic effects of electric current, which also comes under physics. And this is our environment, which is a separate part, comes under ecology and environment. Means how our activities impact the environment around us and how we should change in our activities so that our environment will get list of the impact of our activities. So we'll discuss about all these things in our chapter environment. So this is about all the syllabus that we have to cover in these particular section series, right? So guys, if you want to prepare for your class 10th science, for your boards exam or for any other exam, if your science have some problem, if you want to cover your science from the very basic, and will also in the process of making notes also, so that notes will help you to recall the things at the later time when there will be a need, right? So प्लीज मेक श्योर कि आप लोग ये जो सेशंस हैं, ये जो क्लासेस हैं, वो जरूर देखें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करें। फुल फ्लेजेड क्लासेस होंगी, एनसीईआरटी का सारा पोर्शन यहाँ पर कवर होगा, पेजेस मतलब मैं पेज वाइज मेंशन करूंगी सब चीजों को। Okay, so this is an overview of the syllabus, and from the next session we will start with our chemical equations and reactions. Till then, bye bye guys, take care and have a nice time.